Listen to UK rap? Fuck no. If y'all want a bigger dick, beat that shit daily. That doesn't really that's not necessarily true. That's not necessarily true. Although, if y'all aren't really fucking anybody, I would recommend, in order to to not to be more in control of your own, sausage and shit, I would recommend to beat more often. I would recommend. Not gonna lie, bro, doing that shit, you can last a pretty long time in bed. I'm gonna lie to you. Some people, they're like, I'm too cool. I'm too cool to beat. And they be the same niggas lasting like 5 seconds in bed. It's like, damn. Well, you should have grown up doing it, bro. What can I say? Because y'all beating a day once. Matter of fact, what was it? I'd probably say on average per week, I beat about 2 to 3 times a week. That's about it. 2 to 3 times. Rarely every 3 times, but usually it's like 2 times. So rage, TMI. We're all grown here. Oh, actually, no, not all of us, but you get the bigger picture. What y'all beating a day? The most? I want to say 3 times. It's the most I've done in a day. That's like when I was like a teenager. I was like way back then. Way back then. I ain't got the energy to do that shit. No, at my age now, I ain't got the energy for all that, bro. After one round, it's done, and I'm done. Matter of fact, I don't want to do it. I don't want to do anything after that shit. After I'm done, bro. Look. Post nut clarity is the worst thing ever, bro. Post nut clarity is the worst thing in the world. The minute you finish, bro. Look, I don't even want to think about doing it again. I don't even want to think about doing it again, bro. The minute I'm done, bro, I'm off. I'm getting up from the toilet and I'm going to my room. I'm just doing. Matter of fact, not even that. The minute I'm done, look, I go on Twitter and I just scroll through, just looking at shit. That's it, bro. Like, I don't want to be thinking about nothing else after that. I promise you. Post nut clarity is a crazy thing. Yes, because you think rethink your whole life, bro. I'm telling you. Your boss would numb for a minute. Okay, well, I don't know about all that. I ain't gonna lie though. There was a time where, look, I won't go into too much detail, obviously, but there was a time where after I was like done. Literally, bro, I felt my kidneys were like cramping up. My kidneys were literally cramping up, bro. Oh my god. That shit was painful. I don't know why that happens, but dude, that was like I don't know what it was. I don't know what it was, bro. That shit is fucking crazy. Bro, Indigo. I swear to God, bro. There was a time where after I was done, my kidneys were cramping like crazy, bro. I was like, what the fuck? I feel like I got shot. I feel like somebody shot me with a gun or something, bro. It was painful. Oh my god. Jesus, man. I don't know. Sans the skeleton. Thank you for the follow, bro. Water. I don't even think that's the reason. I don't know what it was, bro. But shit. I mean, if your kidneys are hurting, then shit. It must have been a pretty damn good nut. Pause. But yeah, that shit is dangerous. Yeah, it makes you feel like shit. Yeah, after you're done, you feel like complete shit. It's crazy. time I thought it enough for a bit couple times. A super nut? What the fuck's a super nut? What the fuck? That's a thing? I used to edge all day long. Okay.
Stop after last song, but to be honest,
sorry. Hold on. Is it breezy? Look here. Edging can only go so far. It can only go so far. You know what I mean? At a certain point, you gotta like tell yourself to not do it no more. Why? Because occasionally there'd be a time where you do it, but you don't really. How do I say this? You do it, but you don't really like. You can't hold it for long enough. You can't hold it properly, and then it just. Yeah, you just have like a bad nut. Change the subject. Okay, no, seriously. How do we always end up talking about like things like this? Where did we even stop? When did this conversation even start from? It's a nut after you haven't beat for a long period of time. Oh, so that's like us up. I see what you mean. I guess I see what you mean. You got control. You can't. I mean, yeah, but like I said, it can only go so far, bro. At a certain point, that shit is torturous. I just want to get the job done. You beat 5 times a day. Okay, you're out of your mind. Wait, is that Bussy? What the fuck? Bussy, where have you been? What the fuck? Make it last long? It do. That is actually true. It does. But sometimes, bro, like, sometimes torturing yourself like that, you just gotta get the job done, bro. Like, it's weird. I don't know. That'll be no fap shit? Fuck no. Fuck no. That shit don't mean nothing, bro. Literally, even you look, even if you have like a girl, bro, why does that shit even matter? Even if you got a girl, why does that shit even matter? You know what I mean? Do what you want to do, bro. Do what you want to do. Whether you beat 100, look. Now, beating excessively is a problem. All right, excessive beating is a problem. You should not beat excessively. Maybe like a couple times a week. No, that's fine. But some niggas be beating like 3 or 5 times in one day for 7 days a week. That's mental shit. You can't be doing that. That's not good for you. That's not good for you, bro. Feel me? Believe me. You need to have restraint. Gotta have restraint, bro. That's addiction, that shit. Yes, that is addiction. That, I see, I could look at that and be like, okay, yeah, tee up on that. But, if you if you do like a few times a week, that's okay, bro. Nothing wrong with that. And like, beating's gonna like make you start talking to girls or some shit. It's like, yeah, but. Matter of fact, I think beating does the opposite. As a matter of fact, I think beating makes you want to talk to more girls. That way you ain't gotta do it no more. But that's just me. That's just me. What about gay porn? What? Into a super horny period of time? Oh, of course. Yeah. It's just our hormones, bro. We all got hormones. We're all human.
And I'm better than these niggas.
We're all human, bro.
Just hear me out.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Yo, hop on the beat, like my name is Sam.
Shit. My time? Let me think. What was my time for being like super horny? I was probably like 14, 15 years old. I think 14 or 15.
You better stop all this
yeah, 14, 15 years old was probably my worst time. I go out of you. It was my worst time, I think. I don't know what I was doing, bro. I was out of control. I was out of control, bro. Bro, I used to make it like a routine. Literally, after I got home from school, it was a routine, bro. I had a whole routine. It was bad. I don't know how I stopped, but eventually I just stopped doing it. I was like, or stopped doing that frequently. Only talking about this shit so much you get awkward around girls. That's not true, bro. It's not true. That's honestly not true. Maybe like frequently, but it's not true though. I don't think that's not true. I mean, mind you, Saul also believes the earth is flat. All right, he believes the earth is flat. So obviously, take everything he says with a grain of salt.
Yeah. And you know that breezy say trap.
Hey, you fat at school, you're weird. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to you.
Go tapping.
I don't get why the fuck anybody would like beat they meat at school.
Yeah. I ain't gotta.
You have to be a certain type of evil to do that type of shit. Like at school, my nigga? In them dirty ass bathrooms, you just beating and shit in public. Niggas be walking by just like, come on now, bro.
Hold on. That's it.
Come on, that's disgusting.
Had to slide, you know what I'm saying? Did my thing type shit, you know what I'm saying? Music video dropping soon.
Just gonna beat the absolute shit out of you with coffee, bro. Yeah, exactly. You know what I mean? Everybody had their limits at some point. Just have your limits and you good, man. Earth isn't flat, but the sun is. You be in a public swimming pool, then you get arrested and you have to go around the door. You gotta go door to door telling everybody you're a fucking sex offender. So I don't think that's a good idea to do that. I don't think that's a smart idea. So yeah. Some of the friends are girls. Some of the friends that are girls are bad. In my high school a couple years ago, I got caught beating shit in the library on camera. What? That's down bad. If you nut in the pool, can someone get pregnant? No, Antaeus. Why? Because the chlorine in there kills the chlorine in the water kills the sperm cells. That's why. At least limit to once a week. Yeah, I mean, once a week is fine. You know what I mean? Ain't nothing wrong with that, bro. Some niggas like literally talk down people who like beat off. They're like, yeah, you guys beat your meat. Like you're so like weird. I'm like, nigga, ain't nothing wrong with doing that. Self-pleasure, look, self-pleasure can save a lot of people. Self-pleasure can save a lot of marriages. You'd be surprised. Bro, there be niggas out there so quick to cheat and shit. Some niggas out there are so quick to cheat. Literally, they could have saved themselves with a simple beat. That's all it takes, man. Someone beat at church? Didn't Los Polos, his friend do that shit? Specific? Y'all know who Specific is? I don't know y'all watch Los or not, but he did that like at 12 years old. That was kind of weird. A nigga gonna call me and watch porn in front of me and said gotta go. Whoa, that's weird. Oh yeah, this sperm will drown. Fappy in a hospital. Where y'all even? Whatever. Chlorine shrinks your dick. That is true to a certain limit. Yeah, it's true. No way hands you so I know which hand not to shake. Honestly, some niggas out there they switch hands, bro. Some niggas out there switch hands, which is kind of weird. But well, I mean, I would say it's weird. I don't know what it is. I guess I don't know what it is, but look, a simple fist bump. Not wrong with that. You cannot get hard on chlorine. That's not true. That's not true. You can definitely still get hard on chlorine, but it's just I don't know. Like how do I say this? Yeah, no, you can definitely still get a hardcore in. Bro, people legit fuck in the pool. Like it's possible. This is girl in my high school that's so bad, but she's 2 years older, and I'm considered a younger brother to her. We're not related, we're just good friends. Honestly, if she thinks if she thinks you're a younger brother, bro, you already fucked up. You already fucked up, bro. That's friend zone like shit, dude. You that type of nigga that who would do it too. Like if you shit in a public place. No, that's just weird as fuck, bro. That's literally if you beat your shit in public and you get caught and someone calls the cops on you, you literally have to go to door. You have to go door to door and tell people that you're a sex offender, bro. Your life is ruined. You understand that? Your life is literally ruined. Your life is over, bro. So I would advise y'all to not do that shit. I would highly advise y'all to not do that. For real? Yes, for real. It's true. For real. In a public pool, yes, that's a sex offense. Because you're masturbating in a public place. You know what I mean? You know, kids can walk by. You know what I mean? People walk by, they could probably see that shit. They don't like. It's just kind of a public. It's just like a. You understand? Like it's a sexual offense. It's a sexual offense. Try being with your left hand. That shit was not it. You beat your left hand when my right hand was sprained. How that work for you? It don't feel the same, right? It don't feel right? What's addiction? Bro, pussy what? Public indecency. Yeah. That's basically what that is. Yeah, public indecency. In the bathroom, that still counts as in the public, but you're less likely to get caught doing that. Well, it's still in private, but it's in public. It's weird. You're public, but it's private, so maybe you probably have a case against that. But let's say if you're at like a park, you're at a park, if you're at a public pool, even at the beach, in the ocean, at the beach, if you're caught doing that shit, you can still get caught. You can still get like arrested for that. Niggas be fucking in dressing rooms, yeah, that shit too. Put some music on. I'll put some music on. This is an interesting talk. Interesting TED talk we're having here. Oy. You want to go to a nudist beach and taste? I promise you, it's not what you think, bro. It is not what you think, bro. I've never been to one, but I've heard people who've been to one, and it's not what you think. Literally, all you're gonna be seeing is a bunch of old ass people, bro. A bunch of old saggy ass titties and old ass men walking around and shit. That's all you're gonna really be seeing. So yeah, I don't know if you actually want to do all that. You fap in the back of the car while your parents are driving. There's you're capping. There's no way you did that. There's no way you did that. Bro, I don't look. I would never, ever be anywhere near my parents. Never. If you do that, you might get checked out. Check yourself to a mental institution right now. There's no way I would ever do that, bro. I would feel like no. Fuck no. The most philosophical shit you thought of during post-nut clarity? I honestly don't know. After I'm finished, bro, I just don't want to do nothing, bro. Actually, no. After I finish, bro, I just go on. I don't know. I go on Twitter. I probably go on my phone games, just play some shit. I just don't want to think about anything else. Look, I want to think about anything else, but just sexual shit after I nut every single time. Titties is titties at the end of the day. That's true. I said here when I entered the stream was a conversation about beating. that's our like nature, I guess. We don't always talk about shit like this, but we're always talking about random shit like this. It's weird. I don't know. But welcome to our stream, man. Welcome. Things like this happen all the time. You ever caught by your parents? Fuck no. And I will never get caught by my parents. Never. I will never get caught. Never. I've been doing this shit ever since I was 12 years old, bro. Haven't been caught a single day. Never been caught a single day. Although there was a time where I almost did get caught. I almost got caught. There was one time where I almost got caught, but I was chilling though. I was chilling. I think what happened was that, let's see, back when I used to when I started doing it, I was 12 years old, 12, 13. I had a laptop, right? Back then we didn't have smartphones. I'd use my laptop to do my thing. So I'll take my laptop into the bathroom, go on RedTube or some shit, and go to town. But I would leave my lights off in the bathroom though. Why? I guess because I didn't want anybody to think that somebody was in the bathroom, but it was still it wasn't really that smart because obviously if the lights are off in the bathroom and you see I don't know, you hear some noises or something like that, or you a light in there, obviously somebody's in the bathroom and the door is closed and locked. So, that happens, right? So, after I finish, I close the laptop, wash my hands and shit, and then I walk out the bathroom, lights are off, and I see my mom, in the hallway. I'm like, oh, fuck. But I think she was, half awake, so she didn't realize what was going on. So, she thought I was just, in the bathroom just, pooping or whatever. But, bro, that shit was scary. That shit was scary, man. But look, I never got caught before. I never got caught. I never will get caught. Simple as that. I was on the bullshit ass touchscreen phone. Nah, bro. I was caught. Look, I was solid. At a certain point after that day though, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make sure the lights are on next time. That way it doesn't seem like I'm doing something suspicious in there. There's Spanish hall in my school, and I went there one of the bathrooms and went into one of the stalls. It was straight up nut. Ew! What the fuck? What? Wait, how'd you know it was actually... Wait, it was actual nut on the floor? That shit probably have your heart racing. Oh God, it did. Oh God, it did. That's a rush. Never been on RedTube. I only use Pornhub X videos. Back when I was younger, RedTube was a thing back then, but I forgot why I stopped using it. I don't know. I guess it just fell off. Back then, bro, RedTube used to be the most used porn website. After that, Pornhub took over, and X videos is still there. I still use X videos though. I don't use Pornhub. Twitter porn goes crazy too, but I don't use that often. I don't use. There was a time where I used to, look at a lot of Twitter porn, and from time to time I still do, but not often anymore. My brother, 2 years older, best friend, got a freak ass cousin. My brother's whole friend group, including him, hit. What? His best friend thought it was a joke until she told him she fucked all of it. What the fuck? Wait, how old's your brother? They also fire. Because of W. Latinos, yes. On X videos, yes. Big booty men. He explores with pillows. My friend put me on some Reddit. That shit fire. Reddit porn? Does Reddit porn actually go crazy? I know that. I know, like, you know, a lot of OnlyFans bitches, like their shit's leaked on there, but I didn't know Reddit got porn like that.
Nas X, I sentenced you to 5 years in Montero State Prison.
PB, why did you request?
Baby bet, ayy, couple racks, ayy, couple Grammys on him, couple plaques, ayy, that's a fact, ayy, throw it back, ayy.
Why would you request? Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. You have a good MSW Discord server? Well, y'all are horny as fuck. Y'all can go look at that. I'm not joining any porn. Look, I am not joining any porn Discord servers. I'm not. That is a danger. That is a danger to myself. Can't do it, bro. That shit was illegal too, cause she's 17, she's 19. Whoa. He's the best friends with a nigga, and he's just cousin now. I mean, there's probably like a law that like allows them to still do that shit, but still is like it's still a little kind of illegal. So I don't know. Here's a fire UK rap. That's my hair UK rap. I'm always disappointed. So I don't know.
I made it off the block, bitch. I beat the statistics. I told that bitch I got a bitch, so don't you leave me with hickeys. Bitch, I'm on them.
And Taz, we did not need to know that, bro.
Drinking out this syrup, I'm about to fuck up a kid. Young savage, I get high.
UK rap is good. I can't listen to UK rap no more. Actually, not no more. I can't listen to it, period. I can't. I'm just not into it, man. Maybe it depends on who, you know, who the person is or what y'all listen to. Me personally, though, I don't know. I'm not really into all that. Use a VPN because my stepmom can monitor what anyone searches on the Wi-Fi, and sometimes I use my data and my VPN in the VPN. But the Wi-Fi, I don't fat no more. That is true. Oh my god, that is true. If your mom, look, your parent, y'all know, your parents really wanted to, they can figure out what you're like watching, like on the Wi-Fi internet and shit. However, for me though, it's different. Look, I have a private server or a private like web browser. I use a private web browser and shit, so I'm good off of that. I don't call none of that. You know what I mean? Y'all have to get yourself like a private web browser. Fuck all the incognito shit. Use a private web browser. That shit is wonderful. Wonderful. Use T-Tor. I use Code. K-O-D. Code. Use that. Actually pretty fire. And they're probably sent your mom a log. Oh, shit. What did your mom say? What your mom say after that shit? Okay, we done in peace. I said, bro, y'all gotta be teed up on that shit, man. They couldn't prove it was you. So who they expected to? Who else? Well, you're like brother, like you have brothers and sisters and shit. Oh, use the burner phone. That's why. Okay. Your friends think your dad's a porn star. Why? See someone who look like him? Johnny Sins? Johnny Sins? I can't eat my own nuts. That's weird. Why would you even? have the idea of wanting to do that. I would never do that shit. Are you out of your mind? I would never, ever. Like, not even that, bro. Why would y'all even want to like to taste anything that comes out of your body? I would never want to eat anything that comes out of my body, bro, or taste anything that comes out of my body. Y'all never want to drink your own piss or eat your own shit. So why the fuck would I you know, taste my own nut? That is just not gonna. No, that's just not gonna happen. Never. Fuck no. Got me on the GPS, I keep a shooting there. And this ocean need a vest and some scuba gear. I wanna go out like Josh. This is crazy, bro. I be trying to get them bugs like it's Milwaukee. If you won't, she won't. That's not true. That's not true. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, that's not true. Anywho, is that called laughing? Wait, he's dead? Who is this? I don't know who this is. How you know you're not aesthetic? It don't matter. Whether I'm acidic or not, she'll tell me. She'll tell me. All I gotta do is eat some fruit. You good. Eat something out of your body. What would it be? My own saliva. My own saliva. That's the only thing I'll taste from my body. In this ocean need a vest and some scuba gear. Running your house with these poles, we the carpet cleaners. This bitch will flip your load, this a parker bitch. Preferably, yeah, pineapple's like the definitely only majority, yeah, just pineapple is like what you should definitely eat to fix that pH balance. Niggas calling Briz weed, that was a bad opinion. Michael Jordan 23 up in his 4-5. Ring that bell, knock that pole, you see them porch lights. I really run the field, this ain't Fortnite. I watch my uncle ball like I was courtside. Nutted in a sock and it smelled amazing. Bro. What? Get the chills when my daughter call me dad. Ain't no capping, bitch, we shooting where your head at. Hey, I just hit my plug like I need. You spit in your own mouth? I mean, no, I'm kidding. I can't do that. But yeah. I mean, y'all already tasting your own spit, so rate the song. Sounds like some West Coast shit. 4 out of 10. I ain't gonna lie to you. 4 out of 10. I ain't really like. I'm not really into it like that. That's just me though. Not in my own mouth. If you had shot clothes, I couldn't. Never. Fucking never. The music I like? I like hip hop, R&B. I'm into hip hop and R&B and shit. Just like chill shit, man. I like to just chill. I like vibes type of shit. Like I like to have like I love vibe music. I love vibe music, bro. But shout out for gangbangers. That's not true. I mean, look. Lil Durk. Like Lil Durk. I listen to Lil Durk. I mean, I listen to fucking. I'm a mixture of like different types of like sounds, bro. I like different sounds, but it has to sound good to me in order for me to fuck with it. Like certain types of music is like, you know. The majority of my songs I fuck with is just chill shit. I love chill shit. Yeah, San Francisco. I've never been to Cali. I want to go to Cali though in the future. That's the place I want to visit. I get clone myself. I have so why? Why would you have sex with your own self, your own physical body of a man self? Even though it's your own self, like that's still kind of, you know, weird. And you can't make the argument, but you beat your own meat, your dick's in your hand. You can't make that same argument because it's not the same thing. All right. You're literally, if you have sex with yourself, you're putting your own dick in your own booty hole. That's just no. Okay, that's just not. You know what I mean? No, you can't do that. Favorite instruments: piano, then guitar. My favorite instruments. Oh, that's actually a good. That's a good question. Chat, what's y'all's favorite instrument? I'm not gonna lie. Look, I'm not really into jazz like that, but I love the saxophone. The saxophone is pretty cool. But in general, I'd say my favorite instruments would have to be probably the guitar. I like the guitar. But like, yeah, I don't know. Oh no, actually no. The drums. I love the drums. The drums are actually my favorite, bro. I fuck with the drums. When someone can actually play the drums right, that shit's fire. That shit's fire. Piano, I love the piano too. There's a time actually when I was like in 2nd grade where I was taking piano lessons and shit, but I kind of like fell out of it because like my teacher was kind of mean, so I stopped taking piano lessons. But I mean, I do enjoy the piano. I like the piano and shit. You like when rappers moan. Sean loves playing the flute. Top 3 for me, I would definitely say drums. Drums, piano, guitar. Drums, piano, guitar. Maybe have a little laugh. Bruh, nah. Chat. And y'all, who in here has ever had to like play a recorder in elementary school? Who in here has ever had to play a recorder, bro? Hey, look here. I don't know about y'all, but I was on time with them recorders, bro. Bruh, I remember I had to I had to like practice at night because it was the following day at school. I had like a recital and shit, like, you know, for my teacher, my music teacher and shit. Bruh, my mom used to get so annoyed just hearing like, bro, that shit must have been so annoying. I couldn't imagine how annoying that must have been for her, bro. Oh my goodness. Hi, Mark. Mark, I'm glad you finally made it here. I have a bone to pick with you. I have a look at here, Mark. We had to talk real quick, bro. I need to understand something, one thing and one thing only. And what I want to understand is why the absolute fuck are you so obsessed? Hold up. Where's the videos? Where the fuck are they? I don't see the videos no more. What the fuck? Who deleted the videos? Where are they? Well, anyways, I don't see them here right now, but you understand why I want to discuss with you, right? What is your issue with all these like naked LeBron videos, huh? What is the issue with? What is your issue with this, huh? That's literally all I see you post. It's just straight up naked LeBron video, like not actually naked LeBron, but like it's just like a figurine, like a naked LeBron figurine, and the guy's just doing shit with it. Why? What is the purpose, huh? What is the purpose? Why? And another thing is, if you want to post it, why are you putting it in the main chat and not in the memes, huh? Why? I don't want to see that shit when I scroll through the chat. I don't want to see it. Can you see LeBron naked? Mark, have you met Bussy? Bussy? Mark Bussy? Mark is equally as sus, if not more sus than you, but yeah. Which has the best chat. Yeah, but not for LeBron, naked LeBron videos. Anyways. What were we talking about again? I lost my train of thought. What were we talking about? Martin, you hear Midas? Oh my god. Bro, that shit was oh my god. Not gonna lie, Indigo, you're still in here. Is there a way for you to turn that to like a TikTok clip? Actually, never mind. I might get like, it might get muted. Never mind. But fair what I said. Good night, Zay. Or what? There was like a clip of a during the stream. There was like a clip where Midas had a performance for us where apparently he was allegedly he was moaning and sounding like a girl, but he was saying my name, which is kind of odd, but the reaction was priceless. My reaction was priceless though. The past, yeah, that's fair enough. I won't put you through that again. I wouldn't put you through that again. No, Mark, you fucking can't. Don't do it. Don't you dare. Written that song is from a UK artist. That's just a fire, but what should we do, chat? I play a game, but I don't know if I want to play a game right now. I feel like chilling, just talking with y'all. I feel like just chilling, talking with y'all. I like to communicate like this. I like this energy. I like this energy we're sharing. I'm learning more about y'all. Y'all are learning more about me. I love this energy between us. I'm into it. I'm fucking with it. Your boyfriend getting pegged. What? You get delete vibes that even more often? Of course, bro. What was it? Alright, look, like I said, bro, chat, look, there's a reason why I stream at night, bro. At night, there's always vibes, bro. There's vibes at night and shit. I love the night vibes. I can stream more early. I can stream earlier, but bro, even though I mean early streams aren't bad either, but at night it's just always a vibe. I can just chill. So I don't know. What genre game my favorite? I like action RPGs. Action RPGs and fighting games are my top 2 favorite games of all time. Or top 2 favorite like genres of games. I love like basically any game that involves like leveling systems and shit, like, you know, all that stuff. I enjoy those. Why? Because I love the grind, bro. I love the grind. Simple as that. What 2 languages would y'all learn? Well, I already know Spanish to a certain extent. But I already know Spanish, but I would say Japanese is one, and another one. Japanese and French. Japanese and French. Bro, you know what's crazy? Chat, look here. for anyone here who's Haitian, I'm not Haitian, but for everybody here who's Haitian, why is it that whenever I'm like, sometimes I'm working, right, and I'm just, let's say I got like, some Haitian customers in my line and shit. Why is that one of them sometimes like one of them just like randomly like speaks Creole to me as if I understand them and shit? You know how rude that is? You know how rude that is? Just to like, assume that I'm Haitian. Niggas just hop in the line like, "Stop by saying no roulette" or some shit like that. I'm like, huh? I'm like, oh, you don't speak Creole? I'm like, no, nigga. I don't, like, you can't just assume that I'm fucking Haitian. You can't just assume that. That's rude. That's mad rude. What the fuck? That's just mad rude. You can't do shit like that. I'm in streams every day, no cap. But see, I haven't seen you in streams since like earlier this year. It's been ages, man. Sean Celtics. Celtics fan? Hell yeah. Am I fluent in Spanish? I wouldn't say I'm super fluent in it. I mean, I can form sentences and shit. I can form sentences and I can communicate with like other people in Spanish, but I'm not like advanced. I'd say I'm intermediate. I guess you could say I'm intermediate. I'm okay. I'm okay with it. I'm okay with Spanish. Like, no. Obviously, some people are better than others, but I mean, I ain't gonna lie though. There was a point in time where I was like a lot better at speaking Spanish. I kind of fell off with it. I gotta retrain myself to learn it again, but I can still speak it. It's a fundamental. My dad Haitian, but his fam Puerto Rican and don't look black. One of my managers is like Haitian, like Cuban and shit. I'm in Spanish for it, but I feel like I don't know nothing. School just give you the vocabulary, then you just test and forget. Yeah, literally, that's it. One thing I feel like that Spanish class does not train you for is actually like, speaking Spanish. You know what I mean? They teach you vocabulary words and sentences and shit like that. But they don't necessarily protect. They don't like give you like situations where you have to actually speak Spanish. Like, it's weird. I feel like a better thing to do to make people actually like more comfortable and shit. I don't know, bro. I feel like there's like a thing where they literally have you like speak to somebody from like a Spanish speaking country and have like a full on conversation with them. I feel like you'd be a lot more comfortable, like, even though you'd be like nervous as shit, because I mean I had to do it before. I had to do it before for my Spanish class, and that shit was I was so nervous. I was so fucking nervous. But it helps you so much. You don't realize how much it actually helps you, bro. You a dropout? No, I ain't no damn dropout. I graduate in like 2 more semesters. My Mexican mom left me, so I don't know much Spanish. That's tough. I'm from Canada. We learn French over here. I suck at it still. Yeah, I mean, I want to learn French. I feel like French is like another language that I need to learn a lot. I need to learn about because it's the 3rd most spoken language in the country. So I have to like learn some French, bro. I gotta learn it. Today was my first day back to school. County cleared me to go back, and my brother don't know how to drive for shit. Hey, who you telling, bro? I live in Florida. Niggas in Florida don't know how to drive either. Fucking suck. Hey, you ask someone you don't know you don't know who they are. You don't know who they are or how they are. Or how are they? Oh. Wait, Am I like reading that correctly? You don't know how they are. Yes, yeah. Type that again. I can actually say it, but type it again. Just make sure I'm like saying it correctly. Maybe I might think I'm not speaking my mama language. I don't lie to you. Like if you don't, like your parents speak like your parents speak like a certain language, and you don't speak the same language as they do. I wouldn't say it's like not necessarily required. I mean, you don't need to, but I mean, shit, why not though? I mean, like, don't get twisted. I mean, shit. I know some Latinos who literally have like Latin parents and shit that speak Spanish, but they don't speak Spanish at all. And it's like, why? Why would you not want to learn this language? Literally, bro. If I was Latino and I grew up in a Latino, like a Latin speaking house and shit like that, and you know, I actually could learn language growing up and shit, I would, bro. Literally everything I would say, I would be speaking in straight up Spanish. I promise you. I would never shut up in Spanish, bro. I promise you. That shit would be so fun to talk. Just knowing how to speak it without like, you know, stumbling on your words, that'd be fire. That's what I'm trying to do. But I mean, my mind won't let me do it though. My mind just can't let me do it. It's just, I don't know. I'm not that advanced. Like, how are you doing today? Because there's a difference when addressing someone you know or you don't know. So, if you want to say like, how are you doing today? I mean, it's not really a different, like, certain way to do it. Like, what? Yeah. Anyways. Anywho. Who requested Lizzo? PB, why are you requesting Lizzo? Jesus Christ, bro.
All the rumors are true, yeah. What you heard, that's true, yeah. I fuck him and you.
W skip. W skip. Like shit. Nah, but you're asking me how to say like how are you doing today? You say like como estas hoy? Or let me see. Or you're trying to say you don't know how they are? How are they?